Creating creative wood art as a gift can be a thoughtful and personal way to show you care. Here are some ideas and steps to help you craft unique wood art gifts. 1. Personalized wooden signs. Materials: wooden board, paint or wood stain, stencils or a wood burning tool. Steps: sand the wooden board for a smooth finish. Use stencils to paint or burn a meaningful quote, name or date onto the wood. Seal with a clear varnish for durability. 2. Wooden picture frames. Materials: wooden strips or pallets, wood glue, saw, paint or stain. Steps: cut wood pieces to the desired length for your frame. Assemble the pieces using wood glue. Paint or stain the frame to match the recipient's style. Insert a favorite photo before gifting. 3. Carved wooden coasters. Materials: wooden slices, carving tools, finish. Steps: choose smooth wooden slices, e.g. from a log. Use carving tools to engrave or carve patterns, initials or designs. Apply a food-safe finish to protect the coasters. 4. Wooden jewelry or trinket box. Materials: small wooden box or wood pieces, hinges, paint or stain. Steps: if starting from scratch, assemble a small box using wood pieces. Decorate the box with paint, carvings or wood-burning designs. Consider adding a personal touch by lining the inside with fabric. 5. Wooden wall art. Materials: wooden boards, paint or wood stain. Steps: create an abstract design or nature scene by arranging wood pieces on a larger board. Paint or stain the pieces in complementary colors. Attach the pieces securely and hang it as a statement art piece. 6. Customized keychains. Materials: thin wood pieces, keychain rings, wood burning tool or paint. Steps: cut small shapes like hearts or initials from wood. Use a wood burning tool to add designs or names. Attach a keychain ring for a functional gift. 7. Wooden plant stand or holder. Materials: wooden planks, screws or nails, wood glue. Steps: measure and cut wood to create a simple plant stand or holder. Assemble the pieces securely. Finish with a protective coat to withstand moisture. Tips for success. Personal touch. Incorporate elements that reflect the recipient's personality or interests. Quality materials. Choose high-quality wood and finishes for a polished look. Presentation. Consider how you'll package the gift. Wrapping it in natural materials can enhance the rustic feel. These creative wood art projects can be heartfelt gifts that your loved ones will cherish. Creating personalized wooden signs is a wonderful way to make a thoughtful gift or decorative piece. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you make your own. Materials needed. Wood board. Choose a type of wood like pine, cedar, or birch plywood. Sandpaper, for smoothing the surface. Paint or wood stain, depending on the look you want. Brushes or sponges, for applying paint or stain. Stencils or wood-burning tool, for designs and lettering. Clear sealant, to protect your sign, optional. Saw, if needed to cut the wood to size. Drill and hooks, if hanging for mounting. Steps to create personalized wooden signs. 1. Select your design. Decide on the message, quote, or name you want to display on the sign. Sketch out your design on paper first to visualize how it will look. 2. Prepare the wood. Cut the wood board to your desired size if necessary. Typical sizes range from 12 by 24 inches to smaller pieces for home decor. Sand the edges and surface thoroughly to remove any rough spots. 3. Apply base coat, optional. If you want a specific color background, paint the board with a base coat and let it dry completely. 4. Transfer the design. Using stencils. Position your stencils on the board and secure them with painter's tape. Using wood burning tool. Sketch the design lightly with a pencil before burning. 5. Paint or burn the design. If using paint, apply it carefully within the stencils using a small brush or sponge. For wood burning, heat your tool and carefully trace over your pencil lines. 6. Add decorative elements, optional. Consider adding embellishments like borders, shapes, or symbols related to the theme of your sign. 7. Finish the sign. Allow any paint or wood burning to dry completely. Apply a clear sealant to protect the wood and enhance durability, especially if the sign will be outdoors. 8. Add hanging hardware if needed. If you want to hang your sign, attach hooks or a sturdy string on the back for easy mounting. 9. Presentation. Wrap the sign nicely or present it in a creative way to enhance the gifting experience. Tips for success. Choose the right font. If using stencils, select a font that is easy to read and complements the theme. Experiment with colors. Use contrasting colors for the text and background for better visibility. Personalize it. Consider adding dates, names, or personal messages to make it truly unique. Creating personalized wooden signs can be a fun and rewarding project that results in a meaningful gift.